Analyze patterns is technology software for a specific operational decision. Analyzes event logs to identify control flow patterns such as sequence, choice, and parallelism. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that technology teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Analyze patterns narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Analyze patterns starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include event log CSV, maximum time gap for sequence, minimum frequency threshold, confidence threshold, and parallelism threshold. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the directly follows frequency matrix by counting how often each activity directly follows another within the specified time window across all cases. Detect control flow patterns from the frequency matrix by applying minimum frequency, confidence, and parallelism thresholds. Identify sequences, parallel relations, and exclusive choices. Count the number of sequential relations detected where one activity consistently follows another. Count the number of parallel relations detected where two activities frequently occur in either order within the time window. And count the number of exclusive choice patterns detected where activities occur as alternatives within the same case. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how technology teams actually make decisions. Analyze patterns returns structured outputs such as process complexity score, total patterns detected, average pattern confidence, pattern type distribution, and directly follows frequency matrix. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of analyze patterns is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated technology work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.